I welcome you to this tutorial video. In this video, I'll be taking you through signed and unsigned number system. And the questions are what are signed numbers and also what are unsigned numbers. And also what are the core differences between these two classes of numbers and the examples related to these numbers. So first and foremost, what are signed numbers? A signed number is a number that has a positive or negative sign attached to it. Signed numbers can be either integral or fractional. And I believe we'll understand what integral or fractional is. And in case we don't, an integral is a number that does not have a decimal point, such as 0, 5, -10, and 20. And what are fractions? A fraction are numbers that represent part of a whole, for example 1/2, which represents one part out of two equal parts. Fractions can also be expressed in decimal. For example, 1/2 can be expressed in a decimal form as 0.5. So other examples of fractions include 1/1, 3/4, or -5.5, etc. So that is to tell us that integer and fractions belong to the signed number system. So let's proceed to the unsigned numbers. Unsigned numbers are a number that does not have a positive or negative sign. It can only be positive or zero. I said they are whole numbers. So they are those numbers that are not privileged to have both positive or negative sign attached to themselves. So what are the key differences between these two types of number system? I said the difference between these two is that signed numbers can have both positive or negative sign, whereas unsigned numbers can only have positive values. So let's go to the examples. So if we look at number 12, it could be represented as either +12 or -12 in a signed number system. In an unsigned number system, however, the number 12 could only be represented as +12. And let's take note, all numbers in an unsigned number system also belong to the signed number system. And that's to tell us that every number belonging to the unsigned number system also belongs to the signed number system. So we've come to the end of this tutorial video. Ensure you give it a thumbs up, drop your comments and questions where necessary. See you in my next video.